Hi, today I'm for the Motorola E32s and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on this Wi-Fi switcher, and here after that you will see all of the available networks. For example, let's use one from these networks. Here we should enter the password. Just to see this password, we should click to show password switcher. I'll do it out of screen. After that, just tap to connect, wait a second, and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, by the same way, click on the Wi-Fi switcher and that's it. Also, we got one more way how we can activate the Wi-Fi. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, then click here to the internet section, and to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should use this switcher. After the activating, you will see here all of the available networks, not all of them, but a couple of them. If you want to see more, just tap to see more icon and you will launch the same Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.